am ATP producing factory, mitochondria. I am single layered but maintain cellular osmotic pressure, vacuole. I support the cell but I am not cell wall. I have body resembling net, endoplasmic reticulum. I am chemical factory of the cell, cytoplasm. Leaves are green because of me, chloroplast. What would have happened if RBCs had mitochondria? If RBC have mitochondria, most of oxygen carried would be utilized for the cellular respiration that occurs in mitochondria, and no oxygen will be left for the cells and tissues. There had been no differences between mitochondria and plastids. Mitochondria and plastids both have DNA and ribosomes. These two organelles replicate independent of nucleus and produce their own proteins, but their main difference is in the production of energy. Mitochondria produce ATP and plastids manufacture through photosynthesis. If these two organelles were same, both these can survive as an independent cell inside the cell. Genes had been absent on the chromosomes. Genes are considered as functional segment on chromosomes. Genes are the basic physical and functional unit of heredity. If genes had been absent, the heredity characters would not be transferred from parents to offspring. Plasma membrane had not been selectively permeable. If the plasma membrane were fully permeable, then anything could enter the cell. This would upset the balance between the cell's contents and the outside environment. There is only so much ability to store substances and utilize substances. Therefore, the cell would not be able to maintain homeostasis. Plants lack anthocyanin. Anthocyanins are the colored plant pigments that provide purple or blue color to the plant. Fruits like grapes, blueberries, blackberries, raspberry are rich in anthocyanin. If the plants lacked anthocyanin, then the plants possessing them will become colorless. Who is odd man among us? You reason. Nucleolus, mitochondria, plastids, endoplasmic reticulum. Nucleolus. All the others are cell organelles, but nucleolus is not a cell organelle present in cytoplasm. DNA, ribosomes, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is present only in plant cells, whereas DNA and ribosomes are present in both plant and animal cells. Give functions. Plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is a thin, fragile and elastic covering that separates the cell components from outer environment. Structure of plasma membrane. Protein molecules are embedded in two layers of phospholipids. Plasma membrane is said to be a selectively permeable membrane as it allows some substances to enter the cell while prevents other substances. Due to this property, useful molecules of water, salt and oxygen enter the cell and carbon dioxide exits the cell. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the fluid between plasma membrane and nucleus. It is a moving sticky substance. Many cell organelles are suspended in cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the medium for cellular chemical reactions. Part of cytoplasm other than organelles is the cytosol. Cytosol stores vital substances like amino acids, glucose, vitamins, etc. In animal cells, cytoplasm is more granular and dense, while in plant cells it is thin and mostly pushed to the periphery due to a larger central vacuole. Lysosome. Lysosomes are simple single membrane bound sacs filled with digestive enzymes. Functions: immune system, destroys viruses and bacteria that attack the cell. Demolition squads, it is destroys worn out cellular organelles and organic debris. Autolysis. Suicide bags, when a cell becomes old or is damaged, lysosomes burst and enzymes digest their own cells. During starvation, lysosomes digest stored protein, fats, Vacuole. Vacuoles are the storage sacs for solid or liquid contents. They don't have any typical shape or size. The structure of the vacuole changes according to the need of the cell. Vacuole is bound by a single membrane. Functions: to maintain the osmotic pressure of the cell, to store metabolic byproducts and end products, glycogen, proteins, water, etc. In animal cell, it stores waste products and food, while in amoeba, it stores food for digestion. In plant cell, vacuoles are full of cell sap and provide rigidity to them. Nucleus. Functions of nucleus are: it controls all metabolic activities of the cell and also the cell division. It is involved in the transmission of hereditary characters from parents to offsprings. Who gives me the color? Select the correct option. Red tomato, lycopene. Green leaf, chlorophyll. Carrot, carotene. Violet, anthocyanin. Can you recall how many types of cells are found in living organisms? There are two types of cells found in living organisms: prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Which instrument you will use to observe cells? Microscope is the instrument used to observe cells. Simple microscope is used to observe cells, but electron microscope is used to observe cell organelles other than chloroplast and nucleus. Electron microscope is divided into scanning. Cells are normally observed under microscope after staining.